Today, we are at the Peace River Park in Wauchula, Florida, hunting some shark teeth and fossils. Opened in 2019 and owned and operated by the city of Wauchula, this park rests on 155 acres along the Peace River in downtown Wauchula.
Alright, the gold's is over there. Alright, that ain't bad. I think I found a cool spot over here. Whoa. Got some really deep spots here. Wonder if Sasquatch is out here. Yeah, I give the Sasquatch call. Whoop! Nope, no Sasquatches. We're safe. No Sasquatches.
And though there were no Sasquatches, this park does have an amount of trails and boardwalks that are beautiful, winding through cypress, live oak, and willow forests all along the river. Now, what brought me here today is that this park rests in a geological formation rich with Miocene and Pliocene fossils, which means an abundance of prehistoric bones and, in particular, shark teeth.
Let's see what we got here. So here's where I'm scooping up. It's little, but
yeah, I've just seen little ones.
There you go. Look at that guy. Alright, so this is the spot I'm thinking right here. Little dark stuff right here. Holy crap, there's a lot of crap in here. A lot of glass too.
The Peace River has been used for millennia by indigenous cultures, including the Seminole Indians, as transportation, and then later used by the settlers, and then in the 19th century by steamboats. The rich history and fossil deposits continue to draw people to this hidden gem in Wauchula, Florida.
Gonna keep on going up here, see what happens. Everywhere. Alright. Alright, so I'm grabbing this right here. I don't even know what the hell this is.
This was a really great time, and I highly recommend this to anyone that gets a rush from digging up some history like I do. I really hope you all enjoyed this as much as I did making it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next adventure. God bless.
Yeah, this looks like a problem.